Hi, y'all. What's up?
Are you guys ready to get in the kitchen?
We're Ukio.
I'm the executive chef at Perry Lane Hotel.
So today we're at Flora and Fauna.
I'm the executive chef here at Hotel Bardo and St. Viviana.
I became a chef because I always enjoyed food. What makes Cella very special is that we're going to be introducing Spanish cuisine. So we're going to be introducing the children to new appetizers. Going to be serving them escalivada and gambas al ajillo.
Cook okonomiyaki and do our hamachi raw fish dish.
We're gonna make a shrimp and grits, make a slight tweak on it. We're gonna do a grit cake, and we've got some beautiful Brunswick shrimp and Anson Mills grits.
Some polpette or some lamb meatballs.
We're going to be doing some mushroom and truffle arancinis, and I'm doing a caprese tart.
I fell in love with food, from an early age.
I've been fortunate to have chefs teach me, show me the ways and the proper ways of doing things.
I've been fortunate to have a lot of people that didn't give up on me throughout the years.
I would say my father was my biggest mentor.
When I was growing up, anything my grandmother made, it didn't really matter. Those still are the favorites today. It's that comfort food.
Watching them do all these dinners and barbecues when I was growing up really made me fall in love with it.
Italian is pretty near and dear to my heart.
I just want to be able to pass that on to show somebody else that cooking can be a lot of fun, as well as teach you things that you will take other parts of your life.
I want to be a billionaire to build my house and my mother's house so she can live right next to me. And I also want to give money to the homeless.
I want to be an NBA player. I would like to be a cook or be a musician.
I want to be a chef, but if that doesn't work out, I want to go to college.
I wanted to be a phlebotomist. I wanted to be a nurse for kids and, draw blood.
I want to be a music artist. I want to also enroll to college for cybersecurity class.
Today, we are at Big Chef, Little Chef with the Frank Callen Boys and Girls Club.
We're here today at a restaurant to learn how to cook.
I don't know what I'm going to cook today, but I know I'm going to have a lot of fun.
I used to be in the kitchen and watch my mom cook, so I decided when I got older, I would learn how to cook.
I like my mom's cooking because she has her own recipes, the way that her food is seasoned. I really like her cooking.
I like seasoning. My favorite part of cooking is seasoning.
It's almost like a science experiment. It's very fun.
My favorite food is spaghetti with corn and garlic bread.
I've cooked spaghetti, breakfast, pancakes, eggs, tacos, things like that.
I really like tacos.
I like American with some Italian.
I like to cook fried chicken, and I also like to cook mac and cheese. I use garlic powder, slap your mama sauce. I also like to use black powder on everything that I cook.
I'm going to walk them through a couple appetizers that we're going to do from start to finish, so they see what that's like to be in the back of the house.
They've only seen go to a restaurant, sit down, order, eat. They don't see the behind the scenes. They see the finished product. Now I get to take them through the whole process. I always wish I had a mentor when I was younger. That would have just changed the world, changed my trajectory.
I do enjoy mentoring. Hopefully we can inspire some young adults to enjoy cooking as much as I do.
It makes me feel so just great inside that I can mentor and teach and hopefully get these children to open up their eyes to a whole new world of cooking.
It's going to be fun, kind of learning different cuisines, something that they're not comfortable with, and hopefully that when they walk out of here, they'll understand the flavors a little bit more.
It's up to me as a chef and my responsibility to teach the youngins all these new things and all these plates and all these techniques and all these things that I've learned in my history.
I think that it's a great opportunity to, be a part of somebody's success, even if it's just for, a moment of their life.
It's a great chance for me to watch the joy on the children's face when they taste the food.
My inspiration is my mom because she's the one that has been cooking for me the most.
My mom inspires me by being independent, just follow my dreams. Cooking is reminds you of home
I got inspired by mainly Gordon Ramsay. My mother and my grandma really mostly inspired me though, because they were the ones that taught me how to cook. But my uncle is like one of the best cooks in my family.
I heard about this a couple years ago. I was, working at another restaurant, and our executive chef there had to do Big Chef, Little Chef. I helped him with all the prep, and all that stuff. And I was like, I can't wait till I become a chef so I can show these kids, so I could be a mentor one day.
This is the first time I'm doing this. I think I'm walking in here with no expectations, more with the hope of teaching something they can walk away with.
Honestly, it's a very important program, being able to have a place to go after school.
My kids went to Boys and Girls Club for after school care. It's it takes a village, that kind of mentality.
To other chefs, do not try to pass up on an opportunity to be able to teach these children whatever you can in the kitchen to inspire this new generation.
Boys and Girls Club is an experience that you could go to when you start school and stuff, and you get to have fun and do your homework. You could have go to field trips and stuff.
What do I like about the Boys and Girls Club is their field trips, their great community, their staff.
I like the staff because they're very nice, and I like the activities we do there.
The program that they have going for the kids to teach them to be young adults.
I like how we can learn different things that can help us later in life. One time we mixed different chemicals and dipped a coin in it to see how clean it can get.
I love Boys and Girls Club because of their video game room. They do a lot of sports in the gym. Sometimes you can paint. You can have better communications with other people in the Boys and Girls Club and meet new friends.
Definitely, you should donate for this Boys and Girls Club, just to give these children the opportunity to have things that we didn't have when we were children.
I just think it's very important that we invest in quality extracurricular developing activities.
We would love for you to donate to the Boys and Girls Club, because we are gonna, put the money towards helping the community out and for the people who are in need. So you're helping us, we'll help others too.
This is a great event where we could give back to our community, help Boys and Girls Club raise a lot of money so we can continue to enrich these kids and give them all these opportunities to do something positive with their life.
You can help by donating money to Boys and Girls Club because they can have better equipment.
These children really need these donations for their futures, and they are the future. They are children.
The Boys and Girls Club has a proven track record of success, and I can't think of a better organization to put your money into, right? You're investing in our future.